नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 4-4 अपरम भवतो जन्म प्लस 4-5 बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि, अ स्टडी बाय S.L. अभ्यंकर। श्लोकाः 4-4 अपरम भवतो जन्म plus 4-5 bahuni me vyatitani are in the left hand column the shlokas as per the samhita, as per the book. Arjuna uvacha aparam bhavato janma param janma vivasvatah kathame tadvijaniyam tvamadau proktavaniti. Shri Bhagavan uvacha bahuni me vyatitani janmani tava charjuna tanyaham veda sarvani natvam vetha parantapa. In this left hand column, I have also marked those letters where there has to be padacheda by brown highlighting, and I have followed the same in the right hand column also, so that comparatively one can study where what padacheda has been done. In the right hand column, padachedai Arjunaha uvacha aparam भवतः जन्म परम जन्म विवस्वतः कथम एतत् विजानीयाम त्वम आदौ प्रोक्तवान इति. श्री भगवान उवाच बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव च अर्जुन तानि अहं वेद सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप. वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम्. I have the columns here. Anukramankah, Kartrupadiyaha, Karmapadiyaha, Anye Subantaha, Avyayani, Tigantaha, Kridantaha. So, Arjunaha uvacha Bhavataha janma aparam asti. Now, asti is an implicit verb. That is why I have put it in parenthesis. And Bhavataha, the word connects better with janma aparam in the Kartrupadiya column, although grammatically it belongs to the column Anya Subanta. So bhavataha janma aparam asti. Similarly, vivasvataha janma param asti. Tvam adau proktavan iti. Etad katham vijaniyam. श्री भगवान उवाच हे अर्जुन बहूनि जन्मानि मे तव च व्यतीतानि. हे परंतप अहम तानि सर्वाणि व्यतीतानि जन्मानि वेद त्वं न वेत्थ. Note in the table words which make better syntax and meaning anvayartha by putting them in columns other than their grammatically appropriate column are accordingly shifted but put in parenthesis. In 6, Arjuna is Sambodhanam is in the address case. It is better to show it separately instead of showing it as belonging to one clause or the other. In 8 also, He Parantapa is Sambodhanam is in address case. It is better to show it separately. Padabhyasa Arjunaha अर्जुन पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम उवाच लिट लकारः परस्मैपदम प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम आइदर ऑफ ब्रूइंग व्यक्तायां वाचि टू स्पीक टू टेल टू एक्सप्लेन अदादिः द्वितीय गणीयः उभयपदी द्विकर्मकः सेट और ऑफ वच वचं परिभाषणे मीनिंग इज सेम टू स्पीक टू टेल टू टॉक. दिस ऑल्सो इज अदादिः द्वितीय गणीयः but parasmaipadi dvikarmakah anet. Bhavatah bhavat sarvanama atra pullingam shashthi ekvachanam. Janma janman birth napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Aparam apara not another, not strange, not exalted. Visheshanam atra napusakalingam prathama ekvachanam. Asti लट लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम ऑफ अस असंग भुवि टू बी टू एग्जिस्ट अदादिः द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट. विवस्वतः, विवस्वत् विशेषणम्, अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं षष्ठी एकवचनं, विवस्वत्, विवस् प्लस वत् विशेषणं, मैस्कुलिन दि सन, त्वष्टा अविवस्तमेव उल्लिलेख, विवस् इति धातु प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी, टू ड्वेल अब्रॉड, टू स्पेंड पास टाइम, एज सेकंड आत्मनेपदी, द्वितीयगणः आत्मनेपदी, टू एक्सचेंज क्लोथ्स, टू वेयर, पुट ऑन. Are the planets, graha, in the solar system called by the adjective vivasvat? The count of important graha is 8. They do dwell abroad, away from the earth. In Indian astronomy, their passing of time and also their being visible and not visible, even the eclipses, their astrological effects on our biographies, all this has been studied. The etymology word vivasvat from dhatuhu vivas is all very interesting, right? Param, par, another, strange, exalted. विशेषणम्, अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. विजानीयां, विधिलिङ्ग् लकारः परस्मैपदम् उत्तमपुरुषः एकवचनं ऑफ वि प्लस ज्ञा, अवबोधने, टू नो, टू रियलाइज, टू अंडरस्टैंड. क्रियादिः नवमगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट्. प्रोक्तवान्, प्र प्लस वच् इत्यस्य क्तवतु विशेषणम्, अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. वच् वचं परिभाषणे, एज बीन नोटेड अबव, टू स्पीक, टू टेल, टू टॉक. अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट्. ऑल्सो वच् वचं परिभाषणे, टू इन्फॉर्म, टू कम्युनिकेट, टू स्पीक, टू टेल, टू डिस्क्राइब, टू अटर, टू रीड. चुरादिः दशमगणीयः उभयपदी सकर्मकः सेट. श्री भगवान, श्री भगवत् विशेषणम्, अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं. श्रीमान् च असौ भगवान् च इति श्री भगवान्. बहूनि जन्मानि व्यतीतानि. All these words are नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं of बहु जन्मन् व्यतीत. Note, व्यतीत is vi plus ati plus i इत्यस्य क्त विशेषणम्, and here it is नपुंसकलिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनं व्यतीतानि. वेद, लट् लकारः परस्मैपदं प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं of धातु विद्, विदं, ज्ञाने, to understand, to learn, to know, to realize, to experience, to be sad, to meditate, to think. अदादि द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः सेट. वेत्थ, अगेन लट् लकारः परस्मैपदं बट मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं of same विद्, विदं, ज्ञाने, all those things that. हे परन्तप, परन्तप विशेषणम्, अत्र सम्बुद्धौ एकवचनम्, एड्रेस केस. परम तपः यस्य सः परन्तपः, बहुव्रीहि. परम एडजेक्टिव, प्रू भावे अप, कर्तरि अच्वा, हायर, सुपीरियर, एज इन इंद्रियाणि पराण्याहुरिन्द्रियेभ्यः परमनः मनसस्तु परा बुद्धिर् यो बुद्धे परतस्तु सः. This is from Bhagavad Gita, the 3rd chapter. Highest, greatest, most distinguished, preeminent, chief, best, principal, so many meanings. Param, the highest point or pitch, culminating point, the supreme spirit, all the different meanings. Now, overall meaning. Arjunaha uvacha, Arjuna said, Bhavatah janma aparam asti, your life is here and now. Vivasvatah janma param asti, birth of Vivaswan and life of Vivaswan is of another knowledge, ulterior knowledge. Aham katham vijaniyam, how can I take it? Tomadau proktavaniti etat, that you only told it to Vivaswan. Shri Bhagavan uvacha, Shri Bhagavan said, Hey Arjuna, tava cha me cha bahuri janmani vyatitani. Many lives of both of us have elapsed, vyatitani. He Parantapa, a you who has observed and is capable of observing penances, tapaha. Aham tani sarvani veda. I know all those lives. Tvam na vetha, you do not know. छंदो विश्लेषण अपरम भवतो जन्म अष्टाक्षराणि वतो जन्म एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे परम जन्म विवस्वतः अष्टाक्षराणि विवस्व एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका कथमेतद्विजानीयाम् अष्टाक्षराणि द्विजानी एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे त्वमादौ प्रोक्तवान् इति अष्टाक्षराणि तवानि एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः in 4-4 actually here बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि अष्टाक्षराणि व्यतीता एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे जन्मानि तव चार्जुन अष्टाक्षराणि वचार्जु एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका तान्यहं वेद सर्वाणि अष्टाक्षराणि दसर्वा एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप अष्टाक्षराणि परन्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अनुष्टुप् छन्दः अगेन इन हियर 4-5 टिप्पण्याः नोट्स ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी I thought it good to take these two shlokas together because they connect up Arjuna's question and the immediate reply by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. As such, reply by Sri Krishna Bhagavan continues up to 4-42, up to the end of the Chaturthodhyaya for total 39 shloka. The immediate reply by Sri Krishna Bhagavan is based on the concept of rebirth, Punarjanma, and is based on the claim by Sri Krishna Bhagavan that he knows them all, not only his own but of Arjuna also. The concept of rebirth was inherent in an earlier statement also. Natvevaham jatunasam natvam neme janamadhipaha nachaiva na bhavisyamas sarve vayamata param 2-12. There also, having said, not that I was not there, not that all of us shall not be there, shall not be here hereafter, which speaks of Punarjanma. Sri Krishna Bhagavan, having based his reply on the concept of rebirth, Punarjanma, and on his claim that he knows them all, does not allow time to Arjuna to react on that. Possibly, the concept of rebirth, Punarjanma, was a well accepted concept. It was also well accepted that someone, say a Jyotirvid, would have the ability to know the past lives. Maybe Arjuna, as of this Chaturthodhyaya, considered Sri Krishna as Sri Krishna, his friend and charioteer, not as Sri Krishna Bhagavan. But he could grant Sri Krishna to be having the astrological faculties. It is said that we all are born with some memory of our past life, of our immediate past life, but that memory gets erased or overwritten by the experiences of this life. A Pamis friend of mine had the experience that a 10-year-old boy had the memory of his past life having continued even at that age. The boy himself did not know that that memory was haunting him, but the parents used to listen to his blurting out totally unrelated things. My Pamis friend could relate those blurtings to be related to the boy's past life. So Punarjanma is not just a concept or an hypothesis, it is a fact. At least I would grant that. I would grant that on both counts, that it is endorsed by my Pamis friend and it is the basic premise of all advocacy by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Another argument is that two twins, born of the same mother, born at the same place and almost the same time, nurtured in the same household, exhibit different traits of character. That is best explained by the premise that they inherit, carry forwards of their past lives, which would have been different. All religions and all societies accede to the concept of sin. It is well accepted that every person's conduct should be ethically correct, sadachari, socially appropriate, lokasangrahaka, moral conduct, niti yukta. If it is otherwise, it will be sinful, papi. In Indian philosophy, there is also the concept of punyam, opposite of papam, antonym of papam, for which I do not know of any exact equivalent English word, punyam. How to translate that in English? The argument bahuni me vyatitani janmani tavacharjuna is inclusive of the concept of punarjanma, papam, punyam, and is inclusive of the concept that one inherits, carry forwards of one's past lives. Why being born as a human being is important is because it is only in human life that one can strive to break the cycle of birth and death and attain emancipation, liberation, moksha, shubhamastu.